Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So first we are going to apply primer, and I'm using the Becca primer, mattifying primer, and I'm applying around my nose because my nose is very oily. Yeah, so I'm applying it. Then I use my spoolie to brush it up, and then we are doing the natural brows, so I'm not adding any pencil. Also, I'm just using my brows, my natural brows without pencil. So I'm concealing it now, and then use the buffer brush from Real Techniques. Sorry. So now this is my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me 360. Yeah, flat top brush from BH Cosmetics. Blending expert. So then I'm going with my Mauve Babe palette. So first I go in with a lighter shade to sort of set the tone. Then I go in with the deeper shade to crease. Okay, that's it. And then now I use my concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, to sort of cut the crease for my next look, my next shadow look. And this is from J-Cat Beauty. Let's go with that one. Yeah. So I'm kind of applying it on the concealer to guide me. So that's why I put the concealer first. So then I blend it in again, blend the edges as well in both. Yeah. These my lashes. Ooh, yes, girl. And please, I don't know what I was thinking. I totally wasn't paying attention to my lashes. So after editing the video, and I realized my lashes were, oh my god. So please pardon me for my lashes. They will be on to it, and I was totally focused on my skin because I didn't want any flashbacks, so I wasn't paying attention to the lashes. So right now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set my face, and I'm using a lot because I have a lot of oil on my face, and I was going out today, so I had to make it last longer. So I was using a lot of baking powder. So yeah, I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using the Nikake Duo Contour. Sorry I didn't show it, I totally forgot, but with my contour on my cheeks, I was using the Flawless Ivy palette. So I'm using the same powder. Yes, girl, work it. It's so funny. Okay, so I'm putting on my blush. Yeah, you see that blush there, girl? So I'm using the blush. So now Mario Badescu and Cucumber to sort of moist my face, sets the makeup. Ooh, Wet n Wild glow. Watch out for the glow. Ooh. So you place it directly on top of the blush. Yes. I'm feeling myself. Okay, so then we go in with the Forever Lip Rouge. Let's go with the pink one, pink nude. And then I kind of lined my lips a little bit. And there we go. Ooh, I wasn't focused on my lashes.